Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's scroll down to the security. As you can see in the device security, we've got the fingerprint, so simply tap on it. And here we have to add an additional screen lock. We can choose pattern, pen or password, so I will pick the pattern. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And here we've got the we can decide what we want to show on the lock screen, so we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. All you have to do is simply tap on the option, make sure that it is marked, and then tap on done. Right now we've got the information that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint. Simply tap on next, and here we've got the very first step of adding it. We have to touch the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me touch the sensor with my finger, and as you can see right now I have to do it, and you will have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And try to catch every corner, every edge for better recognition. Okay, we finally did it. We just added our fingerprint to this device. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon or rename it just by tapping on it. So it's quite a cool option. Let me rename it. And here we can add also another fingerprint if you want to. And here we've got the fingerprint functions. Obviously, it's up to you how you want to set them. If you want to turn on or off the feature, just tap on the switcher on it and it will be activated. After tapping on it again, it will be turned off. So let me leave it like this and let me lock the device in order to check if it will work. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unlocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint to your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.